how to enable or disable Wi-Fi auto join on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button. Once you are on the clock face, press on the crown button again to go into the app screen or the home screen. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. From the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the network Wi-Fi that you are using, and then tap on auto join. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Wi-Fi auto join. The Wi-Fi auto join on Apple Watch 9 enables your watch to seamlessly connect to known and trusted Wi-Fi networks without manual intervention. And that's it. Finally, you can press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.